I saw a cute Doraemon fridge magnet online. I built the 3D model and we brought it to life using 3D printer. I cut out the brackets and added magnets on the back. Worrying about the magnetism, I used 3 magnets. Next, I sealed the fridge magnet with putty and waited about an hour for it to dry. I also used primer. Then, it was time to unleash my creativity. I simply drew it with a lot of patience. In the end, the results are still pretty impressive. This is definitely a piece that would get noticed if I were to give it as a gift.